Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age slower, rarely fall sick, and have endless energy, while others constantly battle fatigue, infections, and inflammation? Here's a shocking truth. The secret might be hiding in your kitchen, in that tiny, smelly clove of garlic you often ignore or use just for flavor. Because inside that little bulb lies a natural medicine chest powerful enough to fight deadly diseases, clean your blood, boost your heart, and even protect your brain. But the real mystery is how something so simple can do so much, and what happens when you eat just one clove of raw garlic every morning. Stay with me till the end, because the truth might completely change the way you see garlic forever. Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Horizon. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for over 5,000 years, not just as food, but as medicine. Ancient Egyptians fed it to workers building the pyramids to boost their strength and stamina. In traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, it was considered a cure for almost everything, from infections to heart disease. Modern science has now caught up, confirming what ancient healers already knew. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural remedies known to man. The secret weapon inside garlic. So, what makes garlic so special? The answer is a compound called allicin, a sulfur-based chemical released when you crush or chop fresh garlic. This compound is what gives garlic its strong smell, but also its incredible healing power. Allicin acts as a natural antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral, and antioxidant, all at once. It helps your body fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and protect your cells from damage. In simple words, garlic helps your body defend itself. Health benefits of garlic, explained simply. Let's break down its amazing benefits one by one. 1. Strengthens your immune system. Garlic boosts the activity of your immune cells, especially white blood cells that fight off viruses and bacteria. Studies show that people who regularly eat garlic get fewer colds and recover faster when they do get sick. In short, garlic is your body's natural shield against infections. 2. Lowers blood pressure and protects your heart. If you suffer from high blood pressure, garlic might be your best friend. It relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces strain on the heart. Regular consumption has been shown to lower blood pressure almost as effectively as some prescription drugs, without the side effects. It also lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL, keeping your arteries clean and your heart young. 3. Detoxifies your body. Garlic helps the liver remove toxins and heavy metals from your system. It's especially powerful against lead, mercury, and other pollutants we get from food and air. When your liver is clean, your whole body works better, your skin glows, your energy rises, and your digestion improves. 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Garlic helps stimulate digestive enzymes and supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. It can also help prevent bloating and improve nutrient absorption. Think of it as your gut's natural cleaner and booster. 5. Keeps your skin youthful and clear. Garlic's antioxidants fight free radicals that cause wrinkles, dullness, and aging. It also improves blood circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Some people even use garlic oil or juice, diluted, to fight acne naturally. 6. Boosts brain health. Garlic's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect your brain from diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. It keeps your memory sharp and your mind alert as you age. 7. Fights fatigue and increases energy. Remember how the ancient builders of the pyramids ate garlic for stamina? It's because garlic boosts energy levels, reduces tiredness, and helps your body use oxygen more efficiently. Perfect for anyone who wants to feel more active and focused. The right way to eat garlic for maximum benefits. Here's where most people go wrong: they cook garlic the wrong way. High heat destroys allicin, the key compound responsible for most of its benefits. The best way: crush or chop fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before eating or cooking. This waiting time allows allicin to fully form. You can eat one raw clove on an empty stomach in the morning. If your stomach can handle it, add it to honey or lemon water to reduce the strong taste. Mix it into salad dressings, soups, or warm, not hot, foods. If raw garlic is too strong, You can start with half a clove daily and gradually increase. Caution: when garlic can be harmful. Yes, garlic is powerful, but more isn't always better. Too much raw garlic can cause stomach irritation, heartburn, or bad breath. If you're on blood-thinning medication or preparing for surgery, avoid large amounts because garlic naturally thins the blood. Always listen to your body and consume it in moderation. So, that little clove of garlic sitting in your kitchen isn't just a spice, it's a powerful healer, a natural detox, and a secret weapon for a longer, healthier life. But here's the twist: it only works if you use it the right way and consistently. Try adding just one raw clove to your morning routine for a week, and watch how your energy, skin, and mood start to change. Because sometimes, the most powerful medicine isn't found in a pill. It's right there, in your kitchen.